Welcome to new exciting video related to Islamic battles known as Ghazwas. First question that arises in your mind is, what is Ghazwa? A Ghazwa refers to a battle, or expedition, led by Prophet Muhammad peace be upon him during his lifetime. How many Ghazwas were held? The Prophet Muhammad peace be upon him participated in 27 Ghazwas during his lifetime. These battles were usually fought to defend Muslims, or spread justice and peace. Let's go through some major battles. The Ghazwa Badr was the first major battle in Islamic history, and is considered one of the most significant events. It took place in 624 CE near the Well of Badr, where a small group of about 313 Muslims participated. Muslims faced a much larger Quraysh army of approximately 1,000 soldiers. Despite being heavily outnumbered, the Muslims won the battle with the help of divine intervention, which strengthened the resolve of the Muslim community. 14 Muslims were martyred during the battle. The second battle is Ghazwa Uhud. The Ghazwa Uhud took place a year after Badr, in 625 CE, near Mount Uhud, and was a result of the Quraysh seeking revenge. Approximately 700 Muslims participated in it. In this battle, the Muslims initially had the upper hand, but due to a crucial mistake by the archers who disobeyed the Prophet's peace be upon him orders to stay on the mountain pass, the Muslims were caught off guard. The Quraysh regrouped and attacked, causing significant casualties for the Muslims. 70 Muslims were martyred, including the Prophet's peace be upon him beloved uncle, Hamza. The third battle Ghazwa Khandaq, also known as the Battle of the Trench. It was a defensive battle fought in 627 CE. Approximately 3,000 Muslims participated in it. The Quraysh, along with a confederation of tribes, laid siege to Medina. In response, the Prophet peace be upon him followed the suggestion of Salman al-Farsi, and ordered the digging of a trench around the city for protection. This strategic move forced the Quraysh to abandon their siege due to the Muslims' strong defense. 6 Muslims were martyred. Following the Ghazwa Khandaq, the Ghazwa Banu Qurayza occurred in 627 CE. Approximately 3,000 Muslims participated in it. No Muslims were martyred in this battle. When the Jewish tribe of Banu Qurayza broke their peace treaty with the Muslims and allied with the Quraysh, the Prophet peace be upon him led an army to confront them, and after a siege, the Banu Qurayza tribe surrendered. The decision of how to deal with the tribe was left to an impartial judge, who decided on a punishment of exile for the men. The other battle is Ghazwa Khyber. It occurred in 628 CE. Approximately 1,400 Muslims participated in it. 20 Muslims were martyred. The other battle is Ghazwa Tabuk. The Ghazwa Tabuk was not a battle, but a military expedition that took place in 631 CE. Approximately 30,000 Muslims participated in it. No Muslims were martyred in this battle. The Prophet peace be upon him mobilized an army of around 30,000 Muslims to face a possible Roman threat, but upon reaching Tabuk, the Muslims found that the Romans had retreated. The Muslims were able to demonstrate their strength and establish peace, without engaging in combat. The Ghazwa Makkah, also known as the Conquest of Makkah, was a peaceful takeover of the city by the Muslims. It took place in 630 CE. Approximately 10,000 Muslims participated in it. No Muslims were martyred in this battle. After years of persecution and struggle, Prophet Muhammad peace be upon him and his followers entered Makkah with an army of 10,000 Muslims, and the Quraysh surrendered without any battle. The Prophet peace be upon him granted amnesty to the people of Makkah, teaching the importance of mercy and forgiveness. The Ghazwa Hunain took place shortly after the conquest of Makkah. It took place in 630 CE. Approximately 12,000 Muslims participated in it. 4 Muslims were martyred in this battle. Thanks for watching. If you like the video then subscribe.